How big of the space should I begin with for me to be able to make profits? For you to benefit and for you not to struggle with your produces, it's best for you to start with 1 acre. When you grow less than an acre, you struggle with your produces because you have to transport them to the company, and also transporting these is high. But when you grow on a very large scale, the company itself will bring the car to you. Now, for me, since I'm a supplier, if I'm the one buying these produces from you, it also encourages me, because I know if I drive my car to your garden, I know that I will get sizable amount of produces. Now I'm going to be going to Sese to remove the now I'm going to be going to Sese. That's where the hot pepper farmers have harvested from. I'm going to be going there to pick what they have produced. Now, if I go there, I know that I'm going to be able to get more than 100 boxes of pepper. That way I can calculate that if I spend this much fuel to go pick their produces, I'm still able to make a living off the produces.